Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the video pop-out feature in Opera GX. This feature lets you watch videos in a floating window that stays on top while you keep browsing or multitasking. So, let's dive in. Open Opera GX and go to any website with a video, for example, YouTube. Go to Settings by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and selecting Settings. Then Features. Scroll to the Video Pop-out section. And make sure the feature is enabled. Play the video and hover your cursor over it. You'll see a small pop-out icon in the top right corner. Click the pop-out icon, and voila! The video pops out into a resizable window that stays on top of other apps. You can drag it around and resize it to fit your screen setup. You can now use the video pop-out feature for a better multitasking experience. And that's how you enable the video pop-out feature in Opera GX. Now you can watch videos while multitasking like a pro. If this helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.